So I was just using this cordless electric screwdriver that the company sent out to me to try out here. So I used it to assemble several different projects here in my backyard. I was really impressed by this. It's nice and strong and lasted a long time, so really nice battery life. Had no problems screwing in all the screws. I did probably over 50-60 screws, had no problem at all. So really nice set. 4-volt. Has a light there as well, so that is really nice. So in the dark, you're in the dark places, it lights it up. Comes with all different sizes of bits, everything you would need. Has an extension there as well. It comes with a drill bit as well. And then this one I really like as well, so you can use that to get into tight spaces where it's curved and it's hard to access. But that is really cool. Just attach your bit to that, and then you can get into places like that. So, super cool. I use this for my car when I change my air filter. It is curved, the screw is curved down, so I need something like that, so that is really nice. And then this is USB-C chargeable, rechargeable, so really quick and easy to charge up, and it lasts a long time. So yeah, every household needs a really nice screwdriver, so if you're in need of one, definitely pick this one up.